Today I am going to show you how to scrape targeted LinkedIn email addresses and use them for bulk email marketing. So before we collect data, we need to do few things. Open Google and click on settings. Go to search settings. By default results per page is 10. We need to change this results per page to 100 and click on save button. OK. Doing this, it will show 100 Google search results per page instead of 10 search results. Now type recruiting.net. Open this first link. This website will generate the query string, and using this query string, we can scrape targeted LinkedIn email data. Here you have to select country, from which country data you want to collect. Let me select India. Job title, which professional people's data you want, marketers, digital marketers or CEO. I need digital marketers. Select digital marketing executive. You can filter it by location, so let me type in Ahmedabad. Now click on find the right people on LinkedIn. If you observe here, this site generated some query string. Just click on open in Google. We can see here the search results of all digital marketing executive. These are all LinkedIn profiles. It is showing 100 search results per page instead of 10 search results. Now to get email IDs of these people, in the query string, leave a space after profile, double inverted comma, and type in @gmail.com and hit enter. If you want Hotmail IDs also, then leave a space here, type or in capital, space, double inverted comma, @hotmail.com and hit enter. This query string will show the results of digital marketers LinkedIn profile with Gmail IDs and Hotmail IDs. Now to get email IDs of these digital marketers, open new tab and type surf7 email extractor. Click on this first link. Now go back to search results. Press Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Go back to surf7.net and press Ctrl V over here. Separator, select new line, sort alphabetically, and then click on extract button. So now all the email addresses are extracted here in the output window, and you can use this email data for your bulk email marketing. So guys, using this trick, you can easily scrape targeted LinkedIn email addresses and use them for bulk email marketing.